Let's learn English naturally with Polly. The boy closes the gate. The boy closes the gate.
Where is the gas station? Where is the gas station?
The bank is to your right. The bank is to your right. I work here. I work here. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. It's warm in summer. It's warm in summer. What do you need? What do you need? How much does it cost? It's $24.99. Great, I'll take it. How much does it cost? It's $24.99. Great, I'll take it.
Please stop here near the supermarket. Please stop here near the supermarket.
The teacher asked the students to sit down. The teacher asked the students to sit down.
The teacher said, "Look here before you start." The teacher said, "Look here before you start."
I apologize for the mistake. I apologize for the mistake.
Please close the door. Please close the door. I am closing the door. I am closing the door. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it.
I am moving the microwave. I am moving the microwave. I am locking the toy box. I am locking the toy box.
Can you help me? Can you help me? I am wiping the table. I am wiping the table. I don't be hasty. I don't be hasty. I don't know. I don't know. I am hopeful. I am hopeful. I feel great today. I feel great today. I am taping the box. I am taping the box.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
It's raining. It's raining. This is my brother. This is my brother. Can I see that? Can I see that? Look at the sky. Look at the sky.
Let's go home. Let's go home.
Thank you for watch this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.